Hello everyone. Welcome to Neko Inu, the online crypto game where you buy and sell pets and earn 6% interest every day. Sign up by using the link in the description below. Before you deposit funds, click on the Market tab to view the pets that you will like to buy. Listed here are the different prices the pets are selling at. After choosing the pet you like, you will need to find out the amount that you require to deposit into your account. If you like to buy this $200 pet, you will need to have double the amount plus 3% of the pet's value. Likewise, for this $1,000 pet, you will need $2,060 in your account. Now to fund your account, click on the plus sign beside your account balance. Copy your deposit address. Next, head over to your crypto exchange. You can use FTX or Huobi or other exchanges that support ERC20. Links are in the description below. To deposit money to Neko Inu, click on the withdraw button for USD Tether. Then, type in the amount you want to send and pass the address you copied from Neko Inu. Select ERC20 and key in your SMAS code. Then press withdraw and you are done. To withdraw funds, click on deposit and copy the USD ERC20 address. Then go to Neko Inu and pass the address in the wallet tab. Wait for the timer to count down to 0. Now click on Sell Pet. Your pet is now on sale.
A few minutes later.
Click on your pet again. Your pet will display Marketplace once it is sold. Select the pet you would like to purchase and click Buy Now. Lastly, complete these 5 actions to increase the value of your pet. Remember to complete all of them.